This is a review of the Cap Barbell Dumbbell in 10 pounds that I would highly recommend. This is the metal version of it, and you can see that the quality is very nice. It's high quality. Like you see, if you look carefully, I do want to mention the fact that I have been using this for the past over 4 years now, and it has held up perfectly fine. You can see there is a bit chips, like some chipping, but nonetheless, it still is very perfect. Like I said, I use this for over 4 years, and I still use this even today. It is extremely lightweight. It's a small, compact size, and if you are looking to do your workouts and you're looking for a new set of dumbbell, then the 10 pounds is a good starter pack to begin with. If you're gonna, you're starting out to do weight training, then I highly recommend to use the 10-pound dumbbell because it is a good starter pack to begin with. And I still use this even when I do like light workout. 10 pound, it really is a good dumbbell, and overall I would highly recommend it.